To get started, you want to take all but 2 of your threads and match up the ends and then run them through your fingers to find the centre. And then you want to take your board and you want to clip the threads to the top of the board, just remembering where the middle is, and then clip them to the bottom of the board. And then you want to take one of your other threads, and you want to do the same thing again. So find both the ends and then pull a little bit out for one of them because you want one to be a little bit longer, and then treating that as if it's both the end. Run down your finger to find the centre, and then keeping the shortest thread at the top, you want to loop these over the threads that are on the board, and then you want to pull the tail ends through the loop to attach this cord to these ones that are on the board. And then you want to take your shortest thread and put that out of the way. You can put that with your other threads. And then you want to take your next colour and do the same thing that you just did there. And then once you've done both, you can just push them both up together, making sure that both your shortest ends are out of the way. So now that you've got them both attached, you want to take the first colour that you attached, you want to go over and then pull through, and then under and pull through. And then you want to drop that colour and take the other colour, and if you go over this thread you can do it like that, or you could go under this thread, but whichever direction you do it, always do it in the same one for each colour change. And like you did with your last colour, go over and pull through, and then under and pull through. And you want to keep doing this until you've got the loop as long as you want it. So each time taking your other colour over the top of the other one, or under if you decide to do it under, and then just going over the threads on the board and then under. So once you've got your loop as long as you want it to be, you can remove your threads from the board, and then you want to gently pinch this into a U shape. And you should get something that looks like that. And now you can attach this to the top of your board, and you can begin the pattern of your friendship bracelet depending on what you want it to be. So if you just want to do a simple join in the centre, you can, but if you've got a different pattern, you might want to start slightly differently. But to join, you're just going to take your 2 centre colours and then just make a knot to join your loop, and you should get something that looks like that.